and you got all types of products
All
from.
types of products. We are having France Abidom, PE Plus, Macari, HT26,
Wonderful.
White Secret, Baby Clear, Pimadu, Carton, Caro
Wow.
White,
And it appears you have like a multicultural people coming here to buy,
multicultural.
right?
Yeah, yeah. Indian,
From
Pakistani,
yeah,
African, from all
Africans,
over the world you
all
can.
over the world, right? I can imagine because. And how long you've been doing this wonderful business?
17 years.
17 years. That's the record speaks for itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi there, explorers. Thanks for joining us again, and we are still in the city of The Hague. I just wanted to show you guys there is a very important place here. I've been told that it's called the Hague's Market, that you cannot be in the Netherlands or in the city of The Hague and not go to this market. So I just wanted to master it. I'm going to show you guys the complete market tomorrow, but today I'm just want to go there and just to know how to catch a tram and go to that place. But tomorrow I will be giving you guys some overview. So I am currently at the tram shelter now, waiting for the number that's going there. It's important. The Hague market, it's one of the largest multicultural markets in Europe. Antiques, foreign, modern, inexpensive, unique. It's all in that market. I've been told the merchandise there reflects the multicultural population of the city of The Hague. So it is important that we need to visit this place before we leave there. So we're just waiting for the trams to come, and we need to check on our number. We have to go to the board to see which numbers goes. We've been told, I think number 12 goes there, but this is not number 12. So I need to walk a little bit to the dashboard to see which people are still using masks here, so you have to be careful. We also have a mask on now, and it's important to respect all of this. So I've preempted to look into this market. It is a wonderful place that we cannot be in this city. We would have checked other places, but I just decided that we should go to this market. I want to know the route first of all. So this is to show Delft, the city of Delft, and our number is number 12. So it will be coming in a moment. Goes through that direction where the tram is going. So I will be on the tram in a moment, in a tram rather, and then this is coming down. So I just have to get ready to jump into it, and how amazing this trip could be. So it's a wonderful place that we're heading to, and we just wanted to know what exactly makes this market stands out, because we've been hearing things about the Hague's market and how multicultural it is and how so international the market is. But to go there, we need to figure out how to get there first of all. Now, when you jump in, these are the places you can buy your ticket. I'm in now, and this guy wearing a mask with a uniform there is a controller. He needs to make sure that everyone pays their ticket, because there is no nonsense attitude here for those who mess up with the public transport. So you don't want to be among these people that you will be billed for that. Otherwise, you will have issues. So you can buy your ticket on this machine. You can use your whatever card, any international card that you have, the local cards as well in the Netherlands, in the Hague. You can also pay in different ways. They have it cheap. So the tram just kick off, and we're heading there to this market, and I get to see what's actually happening. So you can see that there's too much control in the trams. What I've noticed here is you do not just jump into the tram just like that. So everybody's got a mask still with them. I think the rules here are still like everybody needs to wear a mask in public transport. So that is something that we've noticed. So we're just driving along to this place, and I think in a few minutes we should be there. Just lots of trees been planted around. So these are just sideways where we are traveling to this place. We are inside the tram now, It should be between 2 to 3 minutes to get to this place, and it's interesting to get to know what's actually happening here. And we really want to see things for ourselves, because the Hague market has been talked about to be one of the most multicultural, international, European, people from all backgrounds and different nationalities coming here, as you get to know. So it's important. We're just gonna check it, and because tomorrow I will show you everything about. I think we just arrived now. We just got off the tram. We go in there in a moment, and I think it's about. I'm gonna turn on the right hand side, because the market is on the right. If you can see on the right side. So I need to go straight and then turn right. You have to be very careful, because again, the little turn, the little bend, you will see bicycle lanes. Like I said, okay, this is the market. If I'm just walking the camera around so you can see what exactly I'm seeing myself. So the market is just over there. So it's important that we will get to be at this place tomorrow, and we will show you the in and out of this market, why this market is so multicultural, and people from all over the world that lives in this country, we are told that will come to this market. You can see the multicultural nature of the population. Like we've just mentioned, that's something we've noticed already. I'm sure it should be the same in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, in Leiden and in other cities. So I'm just following this woman behind. So this is the market here, and this is where we're gonna be getting into tomorrow and showing you guys more of what is in here. So it will be interesting to see what is actually in this market. So I decided to walk a little closer to it, and then to really confirm that, okay, now I know this place, this is where it is, and I will discover this place tomorrow for you guys to see this market, so you get to know more. So thank you very much. I'll catch you all tomorrow, and it will be wonderful to get to meet you, and we can have a chat about it. That will be interesting to see. So it's a beautiful thing to kind of check this place out. I will see you all tomorrow, and it's fascinating to be in the Hague city, and I just wanted to just figure out a few things on what's actually going on there and why this market is so unique. A few people that I spoke with told me a number of things about this market. I want to thank you all. I'm going to see you tomorrow, and watch our other videos that we have on the platform, and we will catch up again soon. Bye for now.